Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the US 100. Okay, so we're seeing quite a strong rebound here, trading back up into resistance. Okay, on the weekly, this is a key level through here, big level through here, and we're seeing some bullish momentum at the moment. Just go out quickly to the weekly, and we can see this range back through here. If we just grab that, it's more or less a point of control through here, runs right through where we're currently trading. So it's traded down, tested this big support level, and now we're kind of hovering around here. So my question, or the question, is where to from here? Go down to the daily. There's a couple of things about this chart. First up, we've got this thin candle through here. So my question is, does this look to trade back up through to fill this gap? Potentially. Generally what the market is going to look for, it's going to look for imbalances, and it'll look for liquidity. So we've got liquidity resting all down through this level, this move here, trading back up into it. How far? I guess that's the question. If we look at this on, say, a 4-hour chart, and then what I'll do is I'll go down to the lower time frames to find an opportunity. There's 2 points of interest for me at the moment. Well, this gap up here for one. This impulsive move here, let's mark that up. Say break, sell, that'll do. Yeah, break of structure here. That's our, mark that up, break, sell. This range through here, you can see how it's traded up, it's ranged through here, it's created liquidity above and below, and then you see it wicking up through into just taking out stops basically. So we get these stop runs, and gets a bit of a fill down here, and off it goes again. So this is an area of interest here as well. Okay, so does it retrace back down and then we see it trade off? That's the question. Let me just mark that. I mean, these are my 2 points of interest. What I've done is I've selected this toggle thing over here so that these transfer onto my my other time frames. I've got a 4 chart layout set up here, and I'll just mark this up. I'll call it a gap, so that on the lower time frame we can see these areas and know what they are. This range through here, we can see the point of control where my mouse is currently. Like if we push that through, that's it there, right above this candle. Point of control right there. Okay, so we've got a gap here that we're currently trading through, and then a gap above. Actually, I've got, let me just got the volume profile. Yeah, there we go. That sort of paints a picture. So yeah, we've got this gap above, then up through here. Well, it's picking up what's on the chart. There we go. So we got this gap here. If it's, and see how down here we've got these volume nodes. All right, support. Okay, so we could see it pull back, retest, and if it holds here, then we've got this gap to trade through right up into this level here, and then see what it does around here. And I mean, yeah, this is, well, back through here we've got a fair bit of traded volume, as you can see. So that would be resistance all through this level here, and then a potential trade through here later on. Maybe that's if it does go back to resolve this imbalance. Well, it will at some stage. When is the question. Where to from here? Well, yeah, I mean, that's it pretty much. Is it hold here and pull back, hold here, retest and fail of this, and then we get a trade north? Possibly. Could be a thing. What I'll do, I'll just go down to the lower time frame and show you how I would normally navigate the volatility. Just go back to a daily on this one. I've got a 15-minute chart open up here. This will generally give me pretty good opportunity. See this signal here? This is the breakout that I'm always looking for. 15-minute chart on the US 100, and we get the breakout, pullback, retest of where it broke out. There's an opportunity. And there's so many other signals with these indicators. We've got this overextended price. We've got divergent signals here telling us that we possibly have a short, and we absolutely had that there, opportunity. These signals down here telling us that we could see the market rotating here. We got that. Some of these signals here, I like to take these dots when the market's ranging sideways. In a steep trend, I tend to ignore them, but this is the signal here, this one. Look left, we get the breakout. There's a range back in here. We get the retest. The breakout happened here. There's a bit of a pullback here. You might have caught it here. Okay, we're looking for the retest of this. Okay, that's your opportunity. Or pull back in here, that's your opportunity. Short, buy opportunity. So 15-minute chart, these are pretty good. If you're interested, click the link below. Okay, so we've got this range, pullback, there's a long, and I mean, we get these amazing opportunities. Let me just clear everything. Go back, look at this. All right, there's a couple of signals here. This one, okay, again, I mean, that's a winning trade. So breakout, there's your range. All right, a little bit of a thing there, but this signal definitely makes up for whatever you missed out on with that, or if you got stopped out. It doesn't really matter because the pips absolutely add up. I mean, look at this. This goes on and on and on. However well you read the chart, you know, I mean, that's a lot of pips we're talking. And, I mean, this signal gives us the opportunity to get in right at the top of the move. All right, there it is again. So guys, I mean, if you're interested in what I've got to offer here, I have a breakout strategy that goes with this. Jump on board, the link is below. Here's another one here, retest of this. There's your buy. So I mean, it really does help in making trading decisions to have signals like these going off, giving us these opportunities. Where to next? Well, I'll be waiting for one of these to give me an opportunity. So with that, guys, click the link below, jump on board. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.